Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. Over time, aircraft often face retirement due to the relentless demands of high-altitude missions. While many military planes have a typical service life of around 30 years, diligent upkeep and continuous upgrades can extend their operational tenure well beyond that. A prime example is the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, which has been an integral part of the U.S. Air Force since its inaugural flight in April 1952. This long-range heavy bomber, capable of soaring up to 50,000 feet, has served as the cornerstone of America's strategic bombing capabilities for over 7 decades. Weighing approximately 185,000 pounds, the B-52B model was first introduced in February 1955, following the earlier A model. By October 1962, a total of 744 B-52s had been constructed, culminating in the B-52H variant. With the capacity to carry up to 70,000 pounds of ordnance, including bombs, mines, and missiles, the B-52 has evolved to accommodate air-launched cruise missiles, Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and HAV-NAP missiles. Remarkably, this formidable arsenal is managed by a crew of just 5. At Minnow Air Force Base in North Dakota, the B-52 maintenance hangar can simultaneously accommodate 2 Stratofortresses. Since 1989, these aircraft have undergone continuous enhancements, including GPS upgrades, heavy store adapter beams, and advanced weaponry. Maintenance is a team effort, with monthly inspections involving disassembly, thorough cleaning, and reassembly to ensure longevity. During the phase wash, all panels and compartments are removed for meticulous cleaning. Given the potency of the cleaning agents, personnel wear specialized protective gear. This process is crucial in preventing corrosion, which can compromise the aircraft's structural integrity. Occasionally, the B-52 sustains structural damage during flights or on the runway. In such cases, the aircraft's structural maintenance squadron steps in to address aerodynamic and substructural repairs. Typically, this restoration process spans 14 days, after which the Stratofortress is mission-ready once more. The Air Force aims to keep the B-52 operational through 2050, thanks to ongoing technological upgrades and rigorous maintenance. By then, this iconic bomber will have achieved a century of service. In 2023, the U.S. military announced plans to further extend the B-52's service life beyond 100 years. A significant upgrade involves replacing its TF-33 engines with new Rolls-Royce F130 engines, which offer equivalent thrust but improved fuel efficiency and reduced maintenance requirements. This transition is projected to save billions of dollars over the coming decades. Rolls-Royce has a storied history of supplying engines to the U.S. Air Force, powering legendary aircraft like the P-51 Mustang, P-38 Lightning, and P-40 Warhawk. Building on this legacy, the company developed the F-130 engine specifically for the B-52, one of the most successful bombers in the Air Force's fleet. The military has invested heavily in enhancing the B-52's capabilities. One notable upgrade is the Combat Network Communications Technology, or CONNEC system, which enhances the bomber's performance in modern combat scenarios by improving communication, situational awareness, and combat integration. CONNEC enables secure data exchange between the B-52, allied aircraft, ground stations, and command centers. Supporting both classified and unclassified networks, it provides a unique platform for coordination and information sharing. Advanced sensors, displays, and data fusion capabilities help airmen prepare for missions, while the shift from analog to digital interference systems enhances crew response times. As unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) have become more prevalent, military tactics and strategies have evolved. The MQ-9B Reaper, developed by General Atomics, exemplifies modern military aviation. This remotely piloted drone boasts a service ceiling of 40,000 feet and can remain airborne for over 40 hours. Operating the MQ-9B requires a team of ground technicians, including payload specialists and mission intelligence coordinators. Maintenance is critical, involving rigorous pre- and post-flight checks, engine upkeep, avionics validation, and weapon system verifications. Regular calibrations ensure the reliability of its advanced high-definition sensor suite. Despite its complexity, the Reaper's logistical footprint is minimal, enhancing operational efficiency. Pre-flight testing of the MQ-9 Reaper is a meticulous process. Structural specialists inspect the airframe. Avionics professionals verify control surfaces. Propulsion experts assess the 950 horsepower Honeywell turboprop engine, and communication specialists test satellite and line of sight links. Ordnance personnel meticulously load and account for each weapon. Once all systems are cleared, the Reaper embarks on its mission, a testament to military precision and collaboration. Ground Control Stations (GCS) serve as the command centers for MQ-9 Reaper operations, housing pilot and sensor operator stations for real-time aircraft control. While takeoff and landing are managed via line-of-sight data links, most missions rely on satellite communication, allowing operators to conduct surveillance, execute strikes, and perform reconnaissance from great distances.
So it keeps us and everyone else safe.
Multispectral targeting systems provide real-time video feeds, enabling one crew to manage current missions while another plans subsequent operations. This dual approach ensures exceptional operational readiness and effectiveness. Upon mission completion, control reverts to the launch and recovery team, who oversee the drone's safe return and conduct post-mission evaluations. As technological advancements continue, the U.S. Navy upholds its tradition by investing billions in constructing new battleships. These vessels, which take approximately 4 to 7 years to build, symbolize national strength and technological prowess. Launch ceremonies are significant events, with sailors in white uniforms participating in time-honored traditions.
Officers and crew of the USS Daniel in Norway, man our ship and bring her to life.
Each new ship enhances the Navy's capabilities. Destroyers, for instance, play a pivotal role in naval warfare. Their medium size grants agility, allowing speeds exceeding 30 knots. Operating independently or within naval groups, destroyers are central to the U.S. Navy fleet, equipped with diverse arsenals, advanced sensors, and rapid responsiveness to enforce maritime law and ensure global stability. Recognizing their importance, the Navy continues to modernize its destroyer fleet. On August 16, 2023, the USS Ted Stevens DDG-128, the 76th Arleigh Burke-class destroyer, was launched using a floating-out technique. Ingalls Shipbuilding employed massive railcars to transport the ship to a dry dock, which was then submerged to release the vessel into the water. The entire process, including preparations for the launch ceremony, was completed within 3 days. Life aboard these warships presents numerous challenges. Crew members are responsible for ensuring all systems function correctly. Aviation electronics mates and boatswain's mates, for example, perform essential maintenance tasks like tightening, cleaning, and painting lifelines to ensure safety. With the ship operational 24/7, crew members maintain constant vigilance through watch rotations, system maintenance, damage control drills, training, and recreational activities. Through daily operations, the crew becomes adept at utilizing the Arleigh Burke-class destroyer's formidable offensive capabilities. Armed with surface-to-air missiles, torpedoes, and anti-ship missiles, these warships are versatile defenders, capable of detecting and neutralizing threats across various domains. Live-fire drills with the Close-In Weapon System CIWS sharpen their ability to counter close-range threats, while the 5-inch Mark 45-54 caliber lightweight gun excels in engaging surface and aerial targets. Littoral combat ships LCS are another vital component of the U.S. Navy fleet. Unlike destroyers that navigate open seas, LCS operate in coastal zones near shorelines. There are two LCS variants, the Freedom and Independence classes. The Freedom variant features a steel monohull design measuring 387.4 feet in length, 57.7 feet in width, and a 14.1-foot draft. It accommodates up to 98 sailors and has a full load displacement of approximately 3,450 metric tons. In contrast, the Independence variant boasts an aluminum trimaran design, measuring 421.5 feet in length, 31.6 feet in width, and a 4.6-foot draft, with a full load displacement of around 3,200 metric tons. Both variants utilize a combined diesel and gas turbine propulsion system with steerable water jets, achieving impressive speeds of 40 and 44 knots, respectively. Designed for diverse missions including anti-access operations, mine countermeasures, and surface warfare, the LCS serves as a multi-mission platform. Their smaller size and modular design allow for agility and mission-specific configurations, with up to 40% of the hull easily reconfigurable. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.